Okay, so in this video you can see this is just the layout. This is your method section. Again, if you were going to do repeated measures, so if your research question involved the same people being measured multiple times, this is what you would do. So you would have your data, you would check for normality, and then you would run your histograms, descriptive stats, because remember you always have to come back to your descriptive stats to further explain your data. And then you're going to fit your model and you're going to run your robust ANOVA. You're going to correct for outliers if based on this initial check, if that is not corrected. All right. And so from that, you're going to have multivariate test. You can do the Markle's test. Remember the Markle's test to see if the data are spread equally, even though they're going to have different means across time. And if that is significant, then you're going to choose the Greenhouse Geyser or the Herrnfeld. All right. And then you're going to do follow-up tests. So if you wrote specific hypothesis statements, then you would do planned comparisons. All right. If you had no specific hypothesis statements, you would run post hoc tests, and then ultimately you calculate effect size. So this is just the order of operations in the sense of how you would run your factorial ANOVA.